Hello, I'm Kate from Taylor & Co Estate Agents based in Abergavenny. Thank you so much for joining me today. It's certainly been a sweltering week here in Abergavenny. I've been roasting hot and I'm very much looking forward to a bit of a cooler day today. So what's going on in the housing market this summer? Well, we had some great news yesterday when the Bank of England reduced the base rate by 0.25% to 5%. This has injected some great positivity into buyer demand, and certainly there's competition now gone into the lending market, and we're seeing some great deals coming from the lenders as they compete with one another for much needed business. So in terms of property pricing, it still remains steady. Property prices aren't increasing, but neither are they decreasing. They're just remaining stable. And you might find that an odd thing for me to say, because lots of you that are probably studying the property portals, as I do every day, are seeing lots and lots of reductions happening. That is only because they have gone on at too much money and they're having to reduce in order to get viewings and then offers. So you're much better pricing your property correctly and making sure it goes on at the right price in order to facilitate a timely sale. So it is true that viewings are slightly slower over this summer, but generally speaking, once we have a majority government that's returned, it then follows a period of stability in the housing market, and that's what we're experiencing now. We've certainly done lots of valuations over the last 4-week period, and you might think that's something slightly off for me to say when I'm talking about sellers and activity in the market, but what you've got to remember is those buyers that are looking at selling their properties are your buyers of tomorrow. So it's really great that valuations have rocketed up, because those are the potential buyers that are going to be entering the market in September and October. So I'm predicting it's going to be a great September and October if you want to sell your home. It might be slightly difficult to get moved by Christmas now, because the conveyancing process is taking quite a period of time, but in a snapshot, that's what's going on here in Abergavenny and Crickhowell and the surrounding villages. But if you'd like to know in greater detail how the market is performing and how it might impact on your house sale, please get in touch 01873 564424 and we'll speak to you soon. Thanks very much for listening.